Hello class, this is BK Yadav and today we are starting a new topic, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, on the basis of the formation of products, it is of two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It has basic three components. First is a cisternae, then vesicles, then tubules. Okay, and these components are scattered in the cytoplasm. They don't form the complex as the Golgi body components. They form the complex system, but the components of the ER they don't form the complex system in the cytoplasm. They are simply scattered. Okay, cisternae. Here we can see the structure of a cisternae. They are always closer to the nuclear membrane. Okay, they are always found closer to the nuclear membrane, and they have the ribosomes started in them. Okay, so we can see the ribosomes embedded in the cisternae. Okay, then secondly is the vesicles. They also have the ribosomes, but they are found on the surface of the vesicles. Okay, tubules. Tubules, they are branch structures. They don't have any ribosomes. Okay, they are always close to the plasma membrane. If we draw the plasma membrane here, okay, so tubules are always found closer to the plasma membrane. Okay, now coming to this different topic, that is the on the basis of the formation of products. ER are two types, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in the protein synthesis because they have the ribosomes. Here we can see that the outer membrane of the nuclear membrane plus the rough ER, they both have the ribosomes. And ribosomes, we know that they are the protein factory, they help in the protein synthesis in the cell. Okay, and smooth ER, they help in the lipid or the fat synthesis inside the cell. Okay, now coming to the basic information about the smooth ER and rough ER. Rough ER, they are mainly composed of the cisternae and vesicles. Cisternae and vesicles, as we all know that they have the ribosomes, so they help in the protein synthesis. Okay, and this rough ER, they are occurs in the cells which are actively engaged in the protein synthesis. Like liver cells are there, then pancreas cells are there. Okay, now coming to the smooth ER, they are mainly composed of tubules because tubules don't have the ribosomes. So rough ER, they don't have ribosomes. They occurs in the cells concerned with the glycogen and lipid metabolism. Okay, so these are found smooth ER. They are basically found in those cells which helps in the lipid metabolism, like the adipose tissues, then storing liver cells are there. Okay, so this is the basic knowledge about the smooth ER and rough ER. Coming to the some more functions about the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum forms the endoskeleton of the cell because endoplasmic reticulum means network of the membranes. ये पूरी सेल में ऐसे बिखरा होता है और एक तरह से स्केलेटन समझ में आता है कि सेल का स्केलेटन है, तो दे फॉर्म द स्केलेटन ऑफ द सेल. ओके, देन प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस, लिपिड सिंथेसिस. लिपिड सिंथेसिस जो होता है आपका फैट सिंथेसिस, दे आर आल्सो हेल्प इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. ओके, दे हेल्प इन द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. ओके, एंड वन मोर नॉलेज फंक्शन हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि इट हेल्प्स इन द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ द सब्सटेंसेस इनसाइड द सेल. Whatever the things are produced in the nucleus, they are passed through the endoplasmic reticulum through a tunnel formed between the nuclear membrane and the ER. Then from the ER they are packaged, they are packed inside the Golgi body, and from the Golgi body the lysosomes are formed. So the substances which are formed inside the nucleus, they are easily transported throughout the cytoplasm of the cell. So these are the basic information of the endoplasmic reticulum. Thank you.